And in other news tonight, only 2 weeks remain before the opening of classes next month. With the school opening on June 3, teachers and other volunteers again troop to schools for the Brigada Eskwela. Let's have more of this report from Bianca Piedad.
With the overwhelming support from the teachers, parents, local government agencies, and volunteers in the 10th year of the countrywide Brigada Eskwela, President Corazon Aquino Elementary School in Batasan, Quezon City can say it is more than ready to welcome its students when the school formally opens in June. This fulfills this year's theme, Isang Dekada ng Bayanihan sa Paaralan. Even the Bureau of Fire Protection takes part to help furnish the schools citywide.
Ang primary na trabaho namin ay ganun naman, paano paglilinis sa mga kung anong mga problema tungkol po sa kung paano kami makakatulong.
Paul Medrano Jr., who supervises President Corazon Aquino Elementary School, however, said that their top priority is to divide the classrooms into two so that more students would be accommodated come June.
Ang pinaka-priority namin kasi dito ngayon ay classroom. Kasi kulang kami ng classroom. Kaya ang pinag-anuhan namin ngayon, pinagsikapan namin na mahati namin ang isang classroom namin para pagkasen yung mga bata.
Nonetheless, repainting, refurbishing, and cleaning the classrooms will continue until the end of the program on the 25th. The Department of Education, on the other hand, feels grateful now that there have been less repairs needed for the preparation in the coming school year.
Aktibo akong lumalahok dito sa brigadang eskwela na ito. Napapansin ko, paunti ng paunti ang naayos natin. Napakagandang tanong yan. Dahil kanina yung pinuntahan kong paaralan sa Tanawan, Batangas. Maganda, bagong pintura pa. Ang mga silid, kaya ang ginawa namin, nung nakaraang taon, ako'y nagpintura ng paaralan din naman sa Maynila. Ngayon, naglinis na lang kami.
DepEd meanwhile reminds the public that it is not only through physical effort that you can lend a hand in making Brigada Eskwela 2013 successful, but also through donating school supplies and materials that will greatly help the kids in their study. But of course, only donations which does not involve money. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.